Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this question that says what volume at STP would be required for the complete reaction of 16.8 grams of phosphorus. They gave us the atomic mass of phosphorus to be 31 and molar volume of a gas at STP is 22.4 dm cube. Alright, solution. Now, in this situation, there are lots of things we have to consider. One of it is whenever there is a complete reaction of phosphorus, right? What does that even mean in the first place? It means that phosphorus reacts with oxygen to form its oxides, right? When you talk about reaction of phosphorus, so phosphorus will react with oxygen to form phosphorus oxides. Now there are two oxides of phosphorus that can be formed in this kind of situation. One of it is phosphorus 3 oxide, which is represented by P4O6. So this is phosphorus 3 oxides, and the second one is phosphorus 5 oxide. Alright, now these two are formed in this process. Listen carefully. This phosphorus 3 oxide, right, is formed when phosphorus, right, reacts with, like when phosphorus is burned in a limited supply of oxygen. So if you have limited supply of oxygen, it produces phosphorus 3 oxide. But if you have excess supply of oxygen while you are burning phosphorus, you have phosphorus 5 oxides. Okay, now based on this question, they say complete reaction. That means we are talking about excess supply of oxygen. So it's going to be producing what? Phosphorus 5 oxide. So if that is established, then we can as well agree that the reaction that we are going to be having will be of phosphorus with oxygen gas, right? And then it's going to produce the stable form, the most stable form of what? Phosphorus, which is this phosphorus 5 oxide. So let's balance the equation now. Oxygen here is 10, phosphorus here is 4 in the product. Here we have phosphorus 4, that means phosphorus is balanced, but oxygen is not. But if we add 5 here, then oxygen will be balanced. Alright, if that is established, then we have to consider the mole ratio. Here the mole here is 1, and here the mole here is what? 5. So 1 mole of phosphorus reacts with what? 5 moles of oxygen to produce what? Phosphorus 5 oxide. Okay, if that is established, then let's go back to the question. The phosphorus here has how many atoms? Phosphorus here has what? 4 atoms. And that is going to be 4 times what? 31. So that gives us what? 124 grams, right? Okay, so now if we have gotten that one, then let's also consider the fact that oxygen has 5 moles as it reacts with phosphorus. So if we say 124 grams of phosphorus, right, reacts, it will produce 5 times 22.4 dm cube of oxygen. Is that not so? Yeah. So but then They asked us to find the one that 16.8 grams will produce. So we have 16.8 grams and it's equals to what? X. Remember, this is our calculation. Okay, so if we cross multiply now, we'll be having 128x, 124, this times this is 124x is equals to 5 times 22.4 dm cube times 16.8, right? Okay, so since we are looking for s, we have to divide both sides by 124. So we divide both sides by 124 times 22.4 dm cube times 16.8, all divided by 124. So this value will cancel out this value, right? So let's multiply the numerator this side. So let me bring up my calculator. Alright, so we have 5 times 22.4 times 16.8. So it gives us 1881.6. Now divided by 124. So x will be equals to, so we are dividing by 124 now, divided by 124. So we're going to be having 15.17. Remember, there is dm cube here. 17 what? Dm cube. So to conclude, he now said the volume at STP required for the complete reaction of 16.8 grams of phosphorus is 15.17 dm cube. That's our final answer. So whenever you are asked this question, know that you are to follow this process to solve it. Thank you for following me from start to finish. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.